Hello everybody, I am Sametel. This week I am going to teach you how to make a progressive house song like Spinnin Records DJs in 4 important steps. Here is the track that we are going to make this week. Okay, the first tip is going to be about the BPM, that means beats per minute, and you can change the BPM of a song from that knob. You must set the BPM to 128 BPM because it's the very basic of making a progressive house song. So my second tip is going to be about chord progression. You must find good chords and add as much notes as you can so that your song sounds more attractive to the listener because they can hear different sounds at one time. And be careful that you don't add wrong and unnecessary notes because if you do, the FL Studio Bump plugin will explode in your computer.
Target neutralized.
And my third tip is about melodies. For the melody, choose simple notes that follows the rhythm of the song. Don't make it complicated as much as you can because this genre of music consists of simple notes and powerful bass under it. Of course you should make some differences in notes, but be careful that you don't go too far. Don't go too far. After making some arrangements, this is the melody of our drop. My fourth and last tip is going to be about bass notes. Like I said before, bass notes should be powerful in this genre of music. To make the bass notes more powerful and crunchy, if I can say, you can use different plugins like Glitch and Effector, or you can simply find bass notes that sounds already crunchy. And after doing all these steps, add all the things you have done to the track list. And after sidechaining all of them, add some drums, kicks, FXs and snares. It's not finished yet guys. For this week I have one pro tip for you all. To make your songs more interesting in this genre of music, you can make note slides or tape stop effects on your leads or on your bass notes or both of them. I used DB Blue tape stop plugin in this song and here is the result. I will give a link in the description below so that you can download this for free. And finally guys, congratulations, now you can send your track to the Spinnin Records and become a worldwide famous DJ. That was all for this week. Thank you for watching me, I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next week, stay tuned.